Oppo had a very big day in India yesterday. They had announced the Oppo Reno8 series. It includes the 8 and 8 Pro. It basically is the same phone that has been launched in China in May, with two major upgrades. Let's talk about the first Reno8 Pro. Reno8 Pro is now powered by the customized 8100 Max chipset. It's a 5nm chipset with 4 A78 cores and 4 A55 cores with a Mali-G610 CPU. It has a fairly capable ISP, but they are using the task to the Oppo in-house Mari Silicon X CPU. It has a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen, Full HD screen with 120 frame refresh rate and HDR10+. This is the first Reno phone that supports PUBG at 90Hz only on the 8 Pro. The main camera is a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766, which is a standard for all Oppo phones, most of the Oppo phones, and it's got an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera, which should be banned by now. The front, you get a 32 megapixel IMX709 camera, which has autofocus, and it has a wide field of view of around 90 degrees. Both the phones, the phone starts at around 46,000 in India. It is for the 8256 version, and there is a 12GB version as well. And one more thing about this phone, it has an aluminum frame and front and back is glass. The Reno8 is powered by the Dimensity 1300 processor. It's got a similar config like 4 A76, A77 and 4 A55 cores, but the GPU is the older generation Mali-G77, but it's on a 6nm processor. It comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB built-in storage, but the Indian version only gets 128GB RAM. Both are launched with ColorOS 12.1. You get the 4500 mAh batteries, and both the phones come with 80W Superbook charger in the box. That's about it. Good phone. They've launched the Oppo Air and Oppo Enco buds. More on the later. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe this videos. Thank you.